We're on flight number 2. We're about an hour and a half away from landing. Lots of people waiting. Yep, I said right to the left. I said bus tickets. And this looks, aside from the millions of people, exactly how it looked in all the videos. Except for I'm really here, because there's the KQ line. And I see the KQ line, and that's amazing. And there's the bus sign. And here's the bus tickets. I'm excited.
After nearly 17 hours, we've checked into the Shibuya EXO Hotel. We picked this hotel not only because of its proximity to everything, but because of this view of Shibuya Crossing. Epic.
This is our first morning in Tokyo, and we're starting with breakfast at the Shibuya Hotel. Now, don't judge me for this next thing, but I did go to Starbucks this morning and successfully ordered my drink using a little bit of Japanese, but mainly English, but I'm a happy camper right now. Very happy.
It's early, and since the stores are closed, we're going on a walk. First up, the Hachiko Statue. Hachiko is known for always returning to Shibuya Station to wait for his human even though his human had passed away. We continue nearly 2 miles up Inokashira to Yoyogi Park and veered left onto a side street to find the Little Nap coffee stand, where we enjoy coffees and muffins. I love sitting outside and sipping my coffee on this quiet street, and that remains one of my favorite memories from our trip.
We're at Shibuya Sky right now, taking in the views. It was a little hazy when we first came up, but it's starting to clear up. Welcome to the Traveler's Factory in Nakameguro. Super excited to get here after seeing it online for so long. But now let's go ahead and take a look inside and see all the fabulous goodies. Just take my money. Just take it. I picked up one of these bags. It's super cute. I've been thinking about this for so long. So to actually be in here is just so cool. I'm telling you, I'm beside myself. I picked up this right here. Coming home with this one too. I got this guy. And then finally got the black book. So excited about that. Beautiful. Let's go upstairs. Steep stairs. Of inspiration.
There are only 6 Starbucks Reserve roasteries in the world, and one is in Meguro. It is unlike any Starbucks I have seen and is massive with 4 floors and outdoor balconies. The Reserve serves everything from pizza and pastries to tea and spirits, but the star of the show? That's the 4-story copper cask located on the ground floor.
We walked back to Shibuya from Nakameguro and decided to check out the famous Don Quixote.
Talk about overstimulation. From the sound to signage to products, Donkey has everything. It really is crazy here. While so many parts of Japan are quiet, Donkey is just an assault on the senses. Today we're heading to Tsukiji Market, which is about 20 minutes from our hotel by train. But first we're stopping by the Namiyoke Inari Shrine, which is about a block away from the market. Tsukiji, by the way, means reclaimed land. 360 years ago, this area was part of Tokyo Bay, and when the government wanted to fill it in, reclamation efforts were thwarted by constant storms. Legend has it that when an Inari god was found in the ocean, the storm stopped. To honor the gods, they built Namiyoke Inari Shrine, which means protector of waves. I didn't realize this, but you can download a map of the market and plan ahead of time, which is probably a good idea since there are more than 1,200 merchant stalls. We, on the other hand, went in blind. It was nice not to have a plan for once and just take in our surroundings as we went. We saw things I couldn't identify and picked up some cat chopstick stands. If you want to avoid crowds, get there early. That was our goal the entire trip, get out early. But somehow, we always failed. In the end, we had to adopt a flexible attitude that allowed us to become one with the crowds. More or less. We took a 30-minute ride on a bus to TeamLabs Planets in Kyoto City. From pillowy floors and velvet walls and dark hallways, Planets is one crowded sensory experience. Despite the crowds, it's still 100% worth it. I was enchanted throughout the experience and probably took way too many pictures. The installation is a collaborative experience between the viewer and the artist, where the viewer's movement changes the artwork. You can touch the giant balls in one room or turn koi fish into flowers. But as a note, don't touch the flowers in the floating garden. We then headed off to Asakusa and Senso-Ji Temple. If you go to the cultural center across the street, you get a great view of not only Nakamisa Shopping Street, but also Tokyo Skytree Tower. Then cross the street and enter through the Thunder Gate. You'll go under a 13-foot wide lantern. Just beyond is Nakamase Shopping Street, which leads to the temple. The street is lined with souvenirs, snacks, clothing, and more. At the end, you'll pass through the Tozomon, the treasure house gate. I purchased some incense from a small shop and added it to the Jokoro. Another ritual involves purifying yourself at a stone fountain with clean water that's used to cleanse your hands and mouth. Once inside, I said a prayer for my mom. We wandered around the grounds and made our way to Happy Street, where we found preparations underway for the Sanja Matsuri, a large festival where local neighborhoods carry their Mikoshi portable shrines from Asakusa Shrine through the grounds of Senso-Ji. We were early and decided to hang out to see what was happening. What luck!
Sanja Matsuri 浅草公演長会スタートします。タオル鉢巻き、セッタ巻き、おみなしはおみこし担げませんので、ルール守っていただいて、青年部の言うこと聞いて楽しく賑やかにやりましょう。よろしくお願いします。では一本投げます。いいよー。投げます。
We ended the day with a trip to Tokyo Skytree. I love this mural where the streets blend in with the animation. How cool is that? Once at the top of the tower, we took in the beautiful views of Tokyo. We could see Mount Fuji off in the distance. It was a beautiful night. Here is a tip. Make sure to claim your spot before sunset because at 10 minutes prior, people are not going to be moving until the show is over.